Welcome back to OTT. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro. And just like the most previous iPhones, on the back of the box, there is the traditional rip strip. And as soon as you pull it off, there's actually a second one on this just on the bottom. And let's just open this up here. And inside of the box is, of course, the iPhone. And it's also greeted with the power charger, but you don't get the plug and you don't get the headphones on this model. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So there we have it. There is the brand new iPhone 15 Pro. It has 3 cameras on the back. It is titanium. And of course, just like recent phones, there is no plastic on the front. It is that little bit of cardboard that you can pull off, but it is still pretty satisfying. There we go. There is the iPhone 15 Pro. So this model is the first one with the USB-C. Just like I said, it has 3 cameras on the back. It has your on and off switch here. And on this side, you have your 2 traditional volumes, your SIM card tray, and also the brand new action button. Now this thing can do many things, and I'm sure in a future video that we'll be able to deep dive into exactly what we can do with the action button. So other than the phone inside the box, just like I've mentioned, there is the power cable. It does seem to be a different style of cable, looks more durable than before. It is in white. It is a double-ended USB-C. Now inside this little packet, normally there will be the headphones there with previous models, but of course, those are now sold separately. So just inside of here, you have your traditional pin, so you can take out your SIM tray. Then also you have your little booklets that nobody ever reads. And following on from there, you also have the Apple sticker that we seem to get every single time and always lives inside of my box and never gets touched again. So I'll just put that back in there after. So that is exactly what you get inside of the iPhone 15 Pro. So you get the phone, you get the cable, you get the SIM tray pin, and you also get the sticker. Just like to say once again that there is no plug and there is no headphones. So if you guys want to be seeing a future video with the iPhone 15 Pro in titanium, I must say, it looks absolutely fantastic, then I will be sure to bring out a video coming out very soon. I might even do a comparison with Samsung's brand new phone, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you're going to be getting the new iPhone 15 Pro, or even just the basic model, then make sure you let me know down in the comment section below. If you're new around here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Just like I said, leave everything down in the comment section below if you're going to be getting it, if you're going to be getting the basic version, or if you're not even going to be bothering with iPhone at all, then make sure you let me know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to know what features are coming out with the iPhone 15 Pro, I will put up a video on the screen so you can go and check that out straight after this video. Maybe that will sway your decision on which version to get. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.